In this 2-minute trading tip, we're going to be talking about how to anticipate your trading errors, which is based all around identifying the trigger of your errors. Here are some common trading errors: taking trades outside of your trading plan, failing to execute a trade in accordance with your trading plan, interfering with trade management during a trade due to your emotional response of how that trade's playing out, FOMO, fear of missing out, technical errors like misclicks, and allowing outside influences. So maybe you hear a trader on Twitter discussing a certain trade, maybe you've heard CNBC or the news or something like that, and it has caused you to enter or exit a trade, also an error. So the first steps is going to be to journal every day so that you may recognize your most commonly occurring errors. Once you identified an error that is happening frequently, you want to note the events that lead up to that error. So you may identify the trigger that caused the emotional response or the error in judgment that led to the error. Note down the optimal response to that trigger. So think about, how do you want to respond to that trigger? It may be as simple as walking away. It might be to reassess, take in new information. Note down how you want to be approaching this trigger from a strategic standpoint. So after you've been consistently journaling for a while, you'll start to notice the triggers as they arrive in real time. And the most confusing and nerve-wracking part of this process is that there will be a period of time where you've identified the trigger, you know what you should do, and you still commit the error. This is very painful, and this is normal. Sit with the pain of this. Do not shy away from it. This is the most important aspect of growth. Eventually, you'll start to internalize that committing the trading error is more painful than taking the strategic response to the error that you've designed. Through the natural human process of pain aversion, you'll discontinue making the error after you shine a bright enough spotlight on the trigger for a long enough time. Anticipating your trading errors is one of the 7 unmistakable signs of growth in day trading that we wrote about on our blog. You can find the other 6 signs by visiting gotoct.pro/signs-of-growth. We look forward to catching you there.